Let's not forget about the dishwasher. Just to dramatize the cleaning power of vapor steam, we had applied and left to dry some yellow mustard on most of the outside surface. As with the refrigerator, to clean the outside of the dishwasher, we will be using the triangular brush with a microfiber towel. Watch as the steam quickly softens the dried mustard, while the towel simultaneously wipes away the entire residue. Residue that made this dishwasher look nasty has now been removed with ease. The inside of the dishwasher is susceptible to buildup caused by food and other residue left on dishes. For the inside, we've switched to the nylon detail brush to reach the tighter areas. As the steam melts the food buildup, the nylon brush works to break down the toughest buildup. The deposits that could have led to unsanitary conditions have been eliminated, restoring the white finish of the dishwasher's inside surface.